everyone! In this video, we'll demo the post-submit flow and walk you through how Pathpoint simplifies binding E&S coverage. Let's start by accessing account from the dashboard to navigate to the Explore Options section. Pathpoint makes binding easy by allowing you to mix and match across carriers, offering you flexibility on cost and inclusions. As you select coverage options, the total cost is dynamically updated in the right-hand panel, ensuring transparency. You can access a detailed price breakdown here, making it easy to compare and adjust selections. Key documents like the cover letter and financing estimate are readily accessible for each coverage option, so all necessary information is just a click away. Once you've selected your desired coverages, simply click Continue to Subjectivities to move forward. Pathpoint's subjectivity page offers a few features to make binding with us easier. If you bind multiple coverages, the sidebar provides real-time updates on the status of each coverage. You can quickly navigate between your coverages using the sidebar. Other features we have are eSign and Insured Pay to help you send a direct bill to your insured. When you're filled out your subjectivities, you can select Request to Bind. Once you submit a bind request, you'll receive immediate confirmation that Pathpoint has received your bind request, along with details on the next steps. If clarifications or corrections are needed, you'll receive an email with underwriter comments, making finalizing subjectivities a breeze. After all subjectivities are approved, a payment link is automatically sent to your end insured. If a reminder is needed, you can easily copy and link and share it directly with them, ensuring prompt payment. We also have another payment option called Agency Pay, where you can be billed to your agency instead. For Agency Pay, you'll see the bound policy displayed, but it will be canceled if not paid within 30 days. This ensures transparency and keeps the payment status clear for all parties involved. Once policies are issued, you can view high-level coverage details and access all key documents in one place. You can also use the sidebar to seamlessly switch between coverages and access important documents, and find critical details such as the policy number. At Pathpoint, our mission is to make binding E&S coverage seamless and efficient, giving you the tools to offer your clients the best options with ease.